All right, guys, wanted to do a quick breakdown here for you on this self-cleaning litter box that I got off of Amazon. Show you the quality of this thing and everything it does. So you can see size-wise, it's not too big, easy for cats to get in and out of. That's what I really liked. It has the really big opening here, and it's got this weight sensor. The entire base is all weight censored. So that way, for a couple reasons, if it ever starts cleaning, when a cat goes into it, it automatically shuts off. I'm going to show you that in a second. But also, you can set up on the app different weights for your different or if you have multiple cats. It tells you what cat was going to the bathroom at what time. It shows you right in your app if you set up the weight sensor on it. So really cool there. The rest of it here has a couple different modes. So it has a self-leveling mode that you can do on your app or on the screen. I'll show you that. And it has the cleaning mode that goes the full around. I want to show you exactly what that looks like right now. So it does have a filler hole up top here, which is really cool. So you can pour it right in. You don't have to pour it in the front of it, which is nice. So you just take any kind of whatever litter you use, pour it in the top here. Very simple to do. Even if you get a little extra, you can just brush it over the side. Extremely simple. Fill it up. So you can see there's a min and max line. So the max line is the top, min. So you just fill it up as far as you want, and you're good to go. And then when you're done filling it, it has this guard right here. It's all magnetic, which is really cool. So you don't have to install screws. It just fits right onto place and sucks right in with the magnet, and it's nice and tight. Pop it off. You can refill it. Put this back in place. That way that hole is covered completely. You don't have to worry about it. And this is the self-leveling mode. So it goes back and forth a couple times just to make sure the litter is all spread out evenly. Really easy to use, works perfectly. And this is a full cleaning cycle, so I'm going to let it go through the entire thing. It does take a minute here, but I want to show you exactly what it does. So at first, it starts pouring the litter through the grate so that any droppings or cat pee or anything like that will hold on top of the grate. The actual litter filters through it and holds into that little kind of like compartment so that you don't lose any of that litter. This opening right here is where everything pours into. So all of the, like, again, droppings or pee pours into the bottom where the actual garbage is. Then it'll take a second and it'll start going back. So now it starts to go back. Covers up that hole where it goes right into the garbage. And the litter's going to filter back through that little grid there. And start pouring into the bottom all over again. And it will self-level too. You'll see that in a second, but it'll automatically do a self-leveling as well after it's already filled up here. Again, it does take about probably a minute and a half to do the entire cycle, but so you can see pouring it out. It'll go back the other way, so it does a little self-level really quick. Just like that. You can see it starts pouring it out evenly. And then it'll go back to flat and ready to go again for the next time. And after it does the cleaning, to empty it all out, the entire basket is magnetic. So you just pull it out here. You can see it comes with garbage bags. You do get extra garbage bags as well. But you can just use normal ones. It does come with more. But it's all magnetic. So it just pops right back into place. You don't even have to look at it. You can see I'm not even looking. Magnets back in. Dump it out, put it back into place, easy as can be. And to clean it is extremely simple. You just pop this magnetic lid off right here. Then the back has a quick, easy clip. So this right here, pop this up just like that, and the whole thing comes out so you can dump it, clean it, whatever you want to do. You put it right back into place, locks back in, and you're done. And you can also power wash it too if you wanted to, which I thought was awesome. And then just to keep going through here, it does have all wooden legs all the way around. The thing is nice and easy to move and clean. I'll show you that as well. But you do have this whole screen up front, which does everything that the app does. So you can see it has time on it. You can do a clean now mode if you push OK. Level cat litter if you want to reset everything or set up the Wi-Fi. And then empty cat litter. It's doing the cleaning now just because I pushed it, but I can hit stop at any time, which is really cool. You can go back, hit OK, all those buttons right here, and everything does it on the app too. So here's the app. It's called HD Smart. Very simple to set up. Just follow the instructions. But you can see my cat went to the bathroom one time today. Tracks all that. You can do a feeding calculator. You can set reminders if you wanted to on this app. And then just to go to the actual unit itself, so you can see right here, it shows how many times it went to the bathroom. You can do a auto cleaning, auto self or leveling, shows you how long they went to the bathroom for, everything there. And if you go to the me portion, you can actually set up the personalization for the cats or dogs, which this is what I was telling you about. You can pick the breed, male, female, type in the name of the cat, and it's going to have you put in like all of their information. That way when it senses the weight, so you put the weight in here, it knows which cat was in there, and it tells you if your one cat was in or the other cat was in, which I thought was really cool. Go all the way back to the home page. Works amazing all from your phone. So overall, super happy with this thing. We go on long weekends, sometimes weeks, and I want to make sure the cats have fresh litter all the time. We don't have to clean it.